Product description. Shotgun assembly. Remove the forend from the barrel. Rest the barrel on a flat surface with the breech bolt fork release lever facing upwards and the barrel monoblock protruding from the plan. With appropriate tool, remove the hinge pin. Hold the receiver with the right hand and using the forefinger of the left hand, keep the breech bolt fork. Press the opening lever right down with the thumb of the right hand and keep in position the breech bolt fork with 2 fingers of the left hand. The breech bolt fork must move in its seat on the inner left side of the receiver. By pressing the opening lever, check the correct backward sliding of the breech bolt, the correct engaging of the moving bolt with the fork. The opening lever is still pressed right down and the forefinger of the left hand holds into position the breech bolt fork until the fork rests on the barrel monoblock. With the forefinger of the left hand, raise the upper end of the breech bolt release lever in order to engage breech bolt fork. Release the breech bolt fork release lever. Position the hinge pin in the hinge pin holes. Insert the hinge pin. Release the opening lever to close the gun. Reassemble the forend on the shotgun. Memory system adjustment. Unscrew the 2 side screws, front and rear, of the adjustable comb using the hexagonal key. Note: do not unscrew the central screw. Loosen the screws of the adjustment mechanism and move it to the right or to the left to get the required cast. Tighten the 2 screws of the adjustment mechanism once adjustment is completed. Loosen the central memory screw to adjust the drop. Tighten the central memory screw once adjustment is completed. Tighten the 2 screws, front and rear, of the adjustable comb. Check that the memory system adjustment is suitable to your measurements. Remove the adjustable comb from the stock by unscrewing the 2 screws, front and rear only. Tighten with force the 2 screws of the adjustment mechanism. Tighten with force the 2 screws of the adjustable comb. Adjusting the length of pull. Using a proper hexagonal key, unscrew the 2 screws to adjust the rear part of the stock. Remove the multi-adjustable recoil pad unit. Using a proper key, loosen the adjustment plate retaining screw. Once the adjustment is completed, tighten the retaining screw. Adjust the length by operating on the spacers. Reassemble the multi-adjustable recoil pad unit. Verify the correct adjustment of the length of pull. Tighten with force the 2 screws to adjust the rear part of the stock. Tighten with force the adjustment plate retaining screw. Choke tightening. Using the proper key, check the correct tightening of the choke. Shotgun field stripping. Remove the forend. With the thumb of your right hand, rotate the opening lever downwards and open the shotgun. With the opening lever pressed right down, rest the barrel on a flat surface with the breech bolt fork release lever facing upwards and the barrel monoblock protruding from the plan. Raise the upper end of the release lever until it disengages from the fork. Release the opening lever. With appropriate tool, remove the hinge pin. Remove barrel from receiver. Store the receiver into its case. Reassemble the forend on the barrel and store the unit into the case.